Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving into the hypercar realm with the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. This isn't just a car, a broken bar, it's a masterpiece of speed, power, and elegance. Let's break down what makes this beast worth every $1 million penny. The Chiron Super Sport is sculpted for speed literally, with its elongated body, active rear wing, and signature C-shape Bugatti curve. Every inch is engineered for aerodynamic efficiency. The front splitter, large quad exhausts, and extended rear diffuser are not just for show, they're designed to keep this machine planted at speeds well beyond 215 miles per hour. Underneath that sculpted carbon fiber skin lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine pumping out a jaw-dropping 1,578 horsepower and 1,180 pounds-feet of torque. 0 to 60, just 2.3 seconds. This is raw, unfiltered power delivered with Swiss watch precision. It's paired to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, offering relentless traction even when you push the limits. Inside the Chiron Super Sport, you're cocooned in a world of luxurious stitched leather, machined aluminium, and carbon fiber. The minimalistic cockpit focuses purely on driving. No giant touch screens here, just analog precision and Bugatti elegance. This is more than just a driver's seat, it's a throne built for a king of the road. The Chiron Super Sport comes with 2 keys. The standard key unleashes a limited top speed, but the famed A-speed key unlocks the car's full performance potential. Drive modes let you fine-tune suspension, steering, and ride height depending on your mission, a comfort or domination. Behind the wheel, the Chiron Super Sport is like nothing else. It's surprisingly composed in daily driving, but give it the beans, and it becomes an unstoppable rocket. The way it builds speed is violent yet refined, it's a physics-defying experience. With a price tag of around $3.9 million, this isn't just a car, it's an investment, a collector's dream. Limited production ensures exclusivity. You're not just buying performance here, you're buying a legacy. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport isn't just one of the fastest cars in the world, it's one of the finest. It's a perfect blend of art and engineering. If you ever get the chance to drive it or even see one, count yourself among the lucky few. If you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the world's most insane machines. Got a dream car in mind? Let us know in the comments below.